Hello, I'm Steve Tracy, owner of Advanced Plating, Nashville, Tennessee. Well, it was a typical hole-in-the-wall shop. You know, you went in there was a hole in the wall and a hole in the roof. You wondered where your parts were going or whether you're going to get them back. By going to car shows and listening to what customers were asking for, we just stepped it up and continued, you know, not only increase the quality of it, but give better service too.
Man, this place is awesome. I'll tell you what, I've never seen anything like it. And Steve actually has me working, scrubbing these steering columns, getting them ready to have them plated. So I'm just over here having a good old...
Hold it, Gannon. Less talk and more cleaning. We got 100 more of these to go, buddy.
Oh man, sorry, Steve.
We're in Music City. So, you know, we jump on board with a guitar manufacturer and we start manufacturing guitar parts. And that became not only a nationwide, but a worldwide operation for us. I really like the challenge of the restoration portion of the business, and that's basically taking a grill that's dented or has holes in it and doing the repairs, straightening bumpers, handling delicate ornate pot metal hood ornaments. So that's always challenging. It remains challenging, and it's a higher skill level here for the employees.
A lot of you may not know the story about advanced plating and going underwater. When I say underwater, I mean literally back in 2010 when Nashville had its 500-year flood.
In 2010, May 1st, we had the big rain and the big flood here in Nashville. And this facility, actually outside, we had 14 feet of water, and we got 5 to 6 feet of water inside this building. We had a lot of help from customers and friends, and also, you know, the employees themselves. We worked 24 hours a day for 8 weeks, and within 8 weeks, we had the facility up and operating again.
Now we're next door in your showroom, Steve. I didn't know this was in here.
Yes, yeah, I've got part of the car collection back here, Gannon. We're gonna take a quick look at them here.
Yep.
This is my daughter Megan's 70 RS Camaro, a recent PowerNation feature. 70 Chevelle SS 454 LS1 car that I practiced quite a bit of chrome plating. Even check out the old school chrome plated wheel wells.
You missed a spot.
Yeah, we have to come back to that one. 65 Corvette, 327, 350 horse, 4-speed, Marina blue, blue on blue, super nice car.
Well, there you have it. This place is awesome, Steve. Thanks for hanging with us.
All good, man.